Thought I'd do a quick product review on these Infinity XI lights and speaker combination, which is also magnetic on the back as well. Um, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button, something that I always forget to ask people, but that would be great. This is something I picked up at Costco, and I remember watching Ed China on one of his workshop videos, and he had these lights which were magnetic, and you could just stick them onto, the underside of the bonnet if you're working on the engine, or wherever, where you can just light up parts of the vehicle that you're working on. I thought they're great, and I looked at the price, and they were like over £100. I was like, wow, can't afford something like that. So I just happened to be walking around Costco the other day, and these come in a pair. They're rechargeable, £20 plus VAT. They have speakers built in, the Bluetooth speakers. Not the reason why I bought them for, but it's always handy, I suppose. And they have different sort of. You can actually put them at different angles. And they have different intensities of light, to the brightest, down to a red light, a flashing red light, I suppose if you're broken down somewhere, and off. Like I say, they are rechargeable. They use these little USB cables, plug them in the back, and away you go. The speakers are Bluetooth, so you can connect it to your phone or whatever. And for the amount of money, £20, they're pretty cool, really robust. I think they weigh 350 grams each, so they're not very lightweight. Feel like they're made really well. I think you can also hook them onto things as well. There you go, it's got a little hook as well, so you can hang it off things, screw it into something. So yeah, all in all for £20, especially if you're working underneath a car or something like that. Great bit of kit. So yeah, Costco at the moment. Normally with Costco, things sort of appear, get sold, disappear, you never see them again. So if I were you and I needed some lights, magnetic lights to connect onto your car while you're working, I'd get down there. I always forget this bit, but yes, like, subscribe, hit that bell button. I'll try and get some more videos up on the site. Got a couple coming at the moment. One is how to get internet down to your shed. My shed is a good 20 metres away, so sort of internet boosters and stuff, they're not going to reach that far. And the other one is how to wire your shed up as well. I've got lathes and all sorts of things in my shed which uses a lot of power, so I've sort of followed industry standard to wire up my shed. So look out for those two videos when they're there. Thanks all.